Good morning everyone, it's Saturday the 13th of August 2022, so I'm going to do a hyperlapse here, but it takes about 20 minutes to do, so I'll do this first, I think before most of the shops are open. Well, there's a few things I've got to get right about this hyperlapse. One, it takes quite a long time to do, might take 15-20 minutes, so I've got to have a good full battery. And then I don't want it too windy. I was going to do this last night in the twilight, which has been fantastic, but it was very blowy, so I didn't do that. Oh well, all I've got to do now is watch it go round. It's on 75 pictures of 275, so it's just there it is. It's making its way around a circle at about 1 mile an hour. I did this before and it's much quicker than that, the building site one, and it seemed to be a bit too quick, so I'm pleased with this. It's high enough so it's not going to hit any trees, so it makes its way around. And I put it on for 12 seconds, so the finished piece will be 12 seconds long. But in order to do that, it had to keep taking pictures, as you can hear, every 2 seconds. And oh, it's just approaching 100 of them. You can probably hear it clicking away still. I've set it on a new path. I think while it's up there, let me get in the shade. Yeah, while it's up there, I may as well, rather than run it over here with the battery going down, I've taken it really high and sent it on a straight line across the top of the roundabout on the same settings, but just in a straight line course rather than round in a circle. There's one silly thing you can do, and I bought the app. To make it look like it's a toy scene. It sort of blurs the image around the corner, and then you set the colour saturation quite high, and it enhances the effect, which is a lot of good fun. So we're just going to let this go through. Battery's on 47, it's only just over there, so this should work as well. And I've got to wait for the shops to open, so might as well just wait and let it happen. I'm going uh-oh because there's a buzzard, and I do hope he's got no interest in my drone. I thought I heard him, but no, he's floating off over the park. Well, the wood pigeons are having a nice time. That was hyperlapsing for you. I love it. It's very good fun. You put the drone up in the sky and it takes a photograph every, at the moment, 2 seconds, so, and one, no, another, and you can allow the drone to drift around either in a circle or in a straight line, or you can move it around manually. But I like that. I love to do one at twilight, but it was too windy the other night, and yes, there's a lot to do with that. I'm going to enjoy it. Another tool in the toolbox to play about with the drone. Very good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed all that. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and here's to next time. Bye bye.